Hello friends, welcome to Techmagnifier. Today we have with us Mr. Navin, who is the Vice President and Product Head for Lava. Hello sir, welcome to Techmagnifier. Okay, so before we start this conversation, I would like to ask that according to IDC report 2014, during Q3, Lava has emerged as the third largest company vendor in India with its two brands Zolo and Lava. So what was the growth it witnessed during Q3 13 and 14? In terms of share and units.
Okay, so we closed year 2013 and 14 at a turnover of 3,000 crores, which was a growth of 100% over last year. And our share has been growing consistently over quarters. And as we speak, we are at a 10% market share in Indian handset industry.
Okay, so you have witnessed 10% market share in?
Yes.
Okay.
So as we speak, we are at 10% market share.
So what are your expectations from 2014 and what's your roadmap to achieve this growth?
So we are well on our course of achieving our plans, and we plan to close year 2014-15 at a turnover of around $1 billion, which would be again a growth of 100% over last year.
Okay.
And we are well on course of our in terms of achieving our plans.
So what will be your retail strategy and revenue model?
Okay, so we have a pan-India presence and we have more than 1,000 distributors throughout India. We have a retail presence of more than 73,000 outlets. We have more than 1,100 service centers. Lava is one of the most trustworthy brand in trade, and one of the advantages which we have is that we have completely direct distribution model, and we don't have multiple layers like in other brands. So other brands have multiple layers in distribution. We are directly distributing to more than 1,000 distributors throughout India, which not just makes us more efficient, but actually we become quite closer to the ground, and we are able to deliver consistent brand experience throughout the country.
So these are the reasons you consider for company's growth?
This is one of the reasons.
One of the reasons. Okay, so you must have heard about Micromax U brand. So they have come up with doorstep services and many other things, new initiatives. So how are you planning to counter this? Do you have any plan to do something similar or something new?
Okay, so every brand has a different approach towards service. In our case, we believe that in case a product fails, then we must provide adequate service in the shortest possible time. To support this, we have a pan-India presence and we have more than 1,100 service centers, and these service centers are increasing every month. So there is one bit of improvement happening on number of service centers, and on other side we are also strengthening our internal processes, and up till now we are very satisfied with our growth pattern in service, and we'll keep evolving as per the need of time. So there are other ways also of providing service. Like in our case, we believe that if we have adequate coverage throughout India, and you will agree that more than 1,100 service centers is more than enough coverage. And in terms of presence, I think we are right up there in terms of presence. And right now our endeavor is to strengthen our internal processes so that we are able to give better services to our customers.
So you mean to say that you will increase the customer services of pan-India, but you may not be able to provide doorstep services as other companies provide?
As we speak, we don't have plans for that.
You don't have plans as such now?
Yes.
Okay. So on the UI front, user interface front, most of the companies and brand including Zolo, Xiaomi, you have their own UI. So when are you going to see Lava?
So you mean to say when
you're gonna bring
so,
something?
So there is some bit of work which is going on this front, and very soon we'll come out with such offering, and we will let you know
How
in
soon?
the right time. So I think still I would like to keep it under close wraps. When the time comes, we'll definitely tell you.
But probably by next year, because everyone has their own UI and Lava still not.
Maybe, yes.
Maybe next year. Okay. So what do you think? What all an Indian consumers is inclined towards, like display size, budget, processor, or high configuration under budget segment?
So consumers have, different consumers have different likings, different choices, and the choices differ as per the price spectrum. So a consumer at a 5,000 rupees price segment will have a different kind of liking and preferences in comparison to a customer who is buying a 10,000 rupees phone. So these vary. At particular price point, RAM is very important. At particular price point, display type is very important. So these preferences and likings, they vary as per different price bands and as per different consumer segments. And in terms of us coming up with a premium phone, so we are raising the bar with every launch, and continuously each offering is actually coming out to be better than the last offering. We are evolving, and we'll continue with this journey, and we'll keep on offering premium phones here.
So when are we going to see high configuration devices, specifically smartphone, if I say?
Okay, so we are raising the bar with every launch, and very soon we are going to launch very high configuration devices like an octa core with a 2 GB RAM configuration. So such kind of high configuration phones are going to launch next quarter.
So are you planning to dive into wearable segment, because Lava has not come up with any wearable devices yet?
Yes, we are planning to venture into a wearable segment, and next year you can see some offerings on this segment from Lava.
So which one is the highest selling phone from Lava till now, smartphone?
So Lava Iris X1 has been the most successful smartphone from Lava's portfolio. Up till now we have sold more than 500,000 devices, and the product has actually received a very good response from customers.
Recently you have launched Iris Win 1 smartphone on a Flipkart.
Yes.
So how do you balance online retail and offline retail partners?
Okay. Both of these are very important sales channels. Up till now, online accounts close to 10% of the overall mobile business in India. But the growth has been quite fast in the last 1 year. We give adequate importance to both the sales channels, and one of the important things which we focus upon is maintaining the MOP in offline and online, so that our customers get fair bit of value whenever they are choosing product either from offline or online. So maintaining MOP across channels is one of our endeavor, and up till now we have been reasonably successful in doing so.
So thank you for your time and sharing your views with us. So this is all in today's interaction. Thanks for watching this interactive video. We'll soon come up with more videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. For latest news and reviews of gadget and games, visit www.techmagnifier.com.